A physical explanation for Bohr's model of the atom eventually came in the form of Louis de Broglie's wave-particle duality hypothesis. Remember, the problem with the Bohr model was he did not have a physical justification for why only certain energy levels could exist. He also couldn't explain why his orbiting electrons did not radiate energy. They should radiate energy because they're changing direction and accelerating, and therefore these atoms should not be stable. The problem was this model matched really well with what actually happened in terms of the energies that were given off by atoms that were excited to higher energy states. The explanation came from Louis de Broglie, and de Broglie says the electrons are not actually orbiting. Instead, the electrons have wave properties, and these waves exist in the space around the atom. And when these waves perfectly fit within the space around the atom, that means it's a valid energy level. To see this a little differently, I created a picture for you. And picture A shows an electron wave that perfectly fits within an orbital. This would be a valid orbital according to de Broglie. Letter B shows an electron orbital that could not exist because the wave does not perfectly fit within that orbital. De Broglie's equation was the same equation we had for light. So it was a beautiful symmetry between particles and light. Light could have particle properties and particles can have wave properties. So to find the wavelength of the electron, you just use the equation wavelength equals Planck's constant divided by the momentum of the electron. This hypothesis has been proved true through diffraction of particles such as electrons.